Hey everyone, welcome to group break number 309. Today we have the 21-22 Upper Deck Hobby Mixer. This break kind of filled over the weekend and actually today as well. So we got two boxes each of Series 1, Series 2 Extended, and then Black Diamond. So kind of all the main 21-22 hobby products we have out. Yeah, should be a fun break. So we'll do the teams 3 times, the names 3 times, and then the names 3 times again. Well, names 3 times and teams 3 times and names 3 times. The third name random is just whoever's on top gets a Kraken. So here we go, 3 times. Good luck. Let's get started. All right, let's grab the list of names. Here we go, 3 times. Once, twice, and third time. Here on top, Marshall on the bottom. Teams 3 times. Once, twice, third time. And Seattle. Again, person on top gets Seattle after 3. Once, twice, and thrice. Pierre, there you go. Gets the Kraken. They're not horrible. Not horrible. There we go. All right. Pierre, you've got the Islanders. Raymond with the Vegas Golden Knights. Pierre with the Flames. Mark with the Wild. Dan with the Penguins. Andrew with the Oilers. Fotis with the Blues. Eric, you got the Canucks. Brandon with the Predators. Jonathan with the Red Wings. Jason Ginn with the Ducks. Jason Appleyard with the Jets. Jason Ginn with the Rangers. Pierre Benoit with the Coyotes. Kevin with the Sabres. Aline with the Devils. David with the Stars. Nelson with the Panthers. Eric with Carolina. Joseph with the Bruins. Brandon with the Capitals. Garrett, you've got the Senators. Jason with the Habs. Nelson with the Leafs. Dan with the Avs. Pierre Benoit with the Kings. Jason with the Flyers. Graham with the Lightning. Jason Appleyard with the Chicago Blackhawks. Bill with Columbus. Marshall with San Jose. And Pierre, you got the Kraken. So I'll get the names onto the team viewer in a second. Again, we'll allow a couple minutes for trades. I gotta get some sleeves anyways and top loaders because it's Series 1, Series 2 Extended. We're gonna have some base stuff. So but yeah, given that we're at a non-standard time, we might not have a ton of people in here right now for the chat. I tried to make it as close to as possible, but because if one of these breaks filled and the other didn't, I probably would have had the time to sort both or sort the one to get it out. But with both of them filling, it's gonna be really really tight. So I'll try, but I'm gonna guess they'll go out next week. So just as a heads up. All right, team view. There we go. So yeah. Let's I'm excited for this mix. It's definitely a risk reward one. There's some safety nets with like I like the safety nets of Series 1, Series 2 Extended, especially Series 2. And honestly, even Extended's not bad. For the top end teams you get more chances of rookie stuff, which is good. But so we have until I get all the top loaders from sleeves out. And we'll get started. Like I said, the full case of Extended is coming in after this. And then we have, I think, 12 left in the only break for the week left on the store, which is the Young Guns Hunt, which is 4 boxes of Series 1, Series 2, and Extended. So weren't 100% certain on Clear Cut. So, is this the installing? There we go. That's weird. Alright. Well, I don't see anything on the... Why is this not... Hold up 1 second. Sorry, my stream deck's not working. That's a little bit weird. Do things the old-fashioned way. Okay. Okay, it works now. That's weird. That's a first. It like said it was fine, but it clearly wasn't fine because I pushed the button and it didn't do anything. But then when I pushed the button and then, well, in it was fine. So who knows? Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. It's always worth asking. I mean, you never know. Carolina, Vancouver's a pretty good random though. Like, again, like solid. You've got Seth Jarvis, who is, I would say, a lot higher rated than what I'm seeing him go for right now. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Obviously, we'll just go across and end on Black Diamond because Black Diamond is the big ticket. Actually, we could do one of each, but we'll see. See what the vibes are like after the first couple boxes here. This is box number 609. Show up. So we can get, there we go. All right. Here we go. Series 1 time. I think we've got just an upside down checklist there. So not opening up super nicely. I mean, hey, if you're gonna get stuck with a team, Vancouver's not the worst, but yeah, fair enough when you're stuck with them for a while. It's one of those things like they're not a good enough team to be stuck with. Like they're not a good enough team to be stuck with 4 times and be like extremely happy about it, but you're also like not upset about having them for 4 times in a row. Or like 4 times out of the past 10 type of thing. Packs are not opening up nicely. Yeah, the Leafs are kind of very hit or miss. I will say the Leafs, you do have the Bunting Young Gun canvas. In that, I actually haven't checked eBay for the sale price on that yet, shockingly. I keep on meaning to, but these are not opening up nicely. All right. First half. Yeah. I mean, also fair. All right, starting off, we have a Dazzlers of Newhook for the Avs. Base, upside down base. It's in the wrong pile. That goes there. Base. Hoglander for the Canucks on the rookie retrospective. 3, 4. Pasenchuk, I think. Oh, Chekovich for the Sharks on the Young Gun canvas. Kierstead for the Panthers. 4, 5. This is going to be our next hit. Dune for Columbus. 3. And we got a McDavid insert for the Oilers. Base. All right, we got a clear cut foundations here. That's the best one to get, I think. Zegras and Drysdale for Anaheim. That was selling really well out of the gate. So Zegras and Anaheim on the Zegras and Drysdale on the clear cut foundations for Anaheim. That's really, really good. Let me check because that one was one of the higher selling ones. They normally don't sell super well unless you get rookies on them. So, Zegras clear cut foundations. Yeah, it's still like 80-ish, 70 to 80. Yeah, the budding canvas. Oh, it's only like 40. I'm honestly shocked it's not higher. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baron for the Rangers. Point for the Lightning. Hoglander for the Canucks. Steelers for the Jets. And Hughes for the Devils. All right. A good start here. Ooh, we have a clear cut base. It's not a young one because it's horizontal. Few more packs to go here. Last one. All right, here we go. Well, this box is already like solid. I mean, we haven't had a good young gun from it yet, but like the clear cut foundations is a really, really solid hit. So, Newhook for the Avs. Norris for the Senders on the clear cut. Allison for the Flyers. Checklist for the Leafs. Malcolm for the Penguins. O'Reilly for the Blues. Matthews for Leafs on the portraits. French variation of Robertson for the Stars. Kaliev for the Kings. Suter for the Wild. Allison for the Wild. Or Addison. And UPL for the Sabres. Not bad. Not bad. Not the best. Not the worst. Let's just go across them. Let's do Series 1, Series 2 Black Diamond. Or Series 1, Series 2 Extended Black Diamond. Yeah. This is box number 7355. All right. Yeah, Clear Cut comes out tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. It's scheduled to. It looks like it is. Places are starting to post their break, so After that, it's MVP next Thursday. That's 22-23, so that's your first chance at like Owen Power, Matty Beniers, Matthew Boldy rookies. And then after that, we don't really know what's going to be next. There's a plethora of products that could come out. It just depends. Like there's Allure, OPG Platinum, SP Legends, the SP like Signature Legends. There's Artifacts. There's SPX or SP Game Used. So lots of potential scenarios for new products 2 weeks from now. We'll have to see. I thought about doing an MVP case like for a break, but it's just I don't think the you know what, it might not be bad. I'll check this year again because I think they changed up a little bit. So a little bit more hit based. It might be fun to do. Do like a half case or something. Something fun and different. Because like again, the Beniers, Powers, those types of rookies should sell decently well. Or Panarin for the Rangers, especially early on. Huberdeau for the Panthers. The Brinkat for Chicago. Subban for the Devils. Where's he going to end up? Lashinsky for the Flyers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Logan Thompson for Vegas. They just traded for a goalie the other day. Vasilevsky for Tampa Bay. Yeah, clear cut it'll be tomorrow. It should be. Case for Colorado on the French. Chuck for the Flames. Kane for the Sharks. Swayman for the Bruins. Yeah, clear cuts. Always one of those really interesting products. The other reason we're not doing breaks, I kind of want to watch a few cases and then figure out what the best like format for it is going to be. I think we'll probably do, depending on how much we have for breaks, like maybe a random hit case. Lane Peterson for the Yotes. Just because that's one of the more quote-unquote fair ways to do it. Or doing like a hit draft type of thing. We could do it like if people are really interested in like a 5-spot, three box draft. Or like, well, full case that could be interesting. Obviously it would be pricey, but could do something like that. Could do it in mixers. I don't know if I want to team random it just because like there's probably going to be at least like you're guaranteed at least half the teams to be shut out. Likely to be over half. Well, yeah, it's 15, so it's going to be over half. We're probably looking at like 20 shutout teams or something like that. So it's one of those products that like defines the risk reward genre because it's just you either get something really nice or you don't. There's kind of really no. Actually, no, there is an but even that, like, you're still happy with a kind of mid-tier card out of it, so. But it still, like, probably doesn't get the full box back. However, if you hit the home run, which is at McDavid Cup, like, you're literally just the happiest person. And they shouldn't be too uncommon. It should be one in every, like, 10 Masters, something like that. Maybe a little bit more, maybe like 15. Which, considering the card, isn't actually horrible. Gensel for the Penguins. Stutzla for the Senders. I'll have to double check, but Drysdale for the Ducks. Nice young gun. Yeah, Clear Cut should be out tomorrow. MVP next week. And then after that, it's anyone's guess, but there's a bunch of products that could. Oshie for the Capitals. Lucic for the Flames. Nedeljkovic for the Canes. 6, 8. Byfield for the Habs, Kings. Varlamov on the jersey for the Islanders. Sunic for the Devils. Keith for Chicago. Velarde for the Kings. And finishing off with a Kaprizov for the Wild. Kaprizov for the Wild. So that's Series 1. Not bad. You're happy if you have Anaheim, that's for sure. If you have the Bruins, you're not sad. You're happy if you have Anaheim and you didn't hit a base Eagers Young Gun. That's actually saying a lot about the rarity of the hit that we got. So, all right, here we go. This is 48688 on the box numbers. Oh, I need to up the title because the breaks are sold out. Sorry, I forgot to do that. All right. All right, let's see. Let's see a good Young Gun parallel. I mean, our odds of hitting a French are probably decently low. Clear cut, maybe? No, we hit a Mercer as well, so I don't know if it's from the same case, but it probably is close to from the same case. There's the clear cut. Maybe we rolled over in time. Maybe we have a case with two. I'm just checking the back of the base cards because it kind of, this actually kind of reminds me of my case, and I haven't seen a single case like it since. But they're still a little bit more defined. All right, here we go. Series 2 time. Well, we'll just take the cider right out of the gate for Detroit. Congrats. Don't have to worry about that. Stand them up for now. Sunic for the Devils. Tomasino on the short print for the Predators. Lecision for Vegas. Lockwood for the Canucks, and a pink Dazzlers of Tkachuk for the Senators. Raymond for the Red Wings. Connor Clifton for the Bruins on the clear cut. Podkolzin on the blue Dazzlers for the Canucks. And Podkolzin on the Young Gun for the Canucks. Okay, yeah, this back is actually kind of has... I'll check the cider after, but I don't know if it's going to show up. The front of the card's fine. Just for the back, it's hard to show on camera. My camera's going to have a really tough time focusing on it, but like down here, there's, you can kind of see it. Like, I don't know if I can even get it to show up. Yeah, you can't really see it to show up. But if you look at the back and you look closely, like, it just looks like there's some smudging and some scuffing on the bottom. So, the front of the card's absolutely fine. There's like a little dot there, but like, just as a heads up on the back. So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Allison for the Wild, or Addison, jeez, gets off for the Ducks. Cause I don't know why it always changes name to Caden Allison, but Dulling for the Sabres. Where's the cider? I just want to make sure the cider doesn't have it. Looks okay. The cider looks okay, so that's good. It's good. All right. No. Yeah, we got enough time to work through this and get everything to the side. Those are for the Sabres. Perfetti for the Jets. Neighbors for the Blues. This is a really good crop. Grew for the Ducks. Retired canvas of Turgeon for the Sabres. French variation, right beside the regular one of Hellebuyck for the Jets. Steen for the Bruins. Stouty for the Kings. Lundqvist for the Rangers. Kachuk for the Lightning. Ronberg for Vegas. And Phillips for the Flames. There we go. All right, 3 boxes down. 5 to go. So far, so good. Box number 38595. Here we go. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else happened in the hockey world. Not a ton, really. The women's worlds are on. The World Juniors happened. That was a while ago. I didn't really pay much attention to them, to be honest, given everything ongoing. Here we go. Last one. Neighbors for the Blues. Leonard for Vegas. Phillips for the Flames. Field for the Sharks. Phillips for the Flames on the jersey. 4, 5, 6. Takchev for the Kings on the retro. 3, 4, 5. Duke for the Lightning. Phil Kessel, I guess, signing is new. Signing with Vegas. that'll be an interesting fit. I mean, they do need, seems like they do need finishers, so Zach Jones for the Rangers does make sense there. Dubois for the Jets. French variation of Comtois for the Ducks. 4, 5, 6, and here's a Radish. Sorry, I need to. Don't think there was anything. But they like to hide stuff behind Young Guns in Series 2, so gotta double check. Heiskanen for the Stars. Yeah, Castle in Vegas will be interesting. I like Aiden Hill as a goalie too, so like him and Logan Thompson, a lot of people be like, oh, like even like pre Leonard being out the entire year, like they're Logan Thompson is generally someone that everyone's just like at the end of last season, like, why aren't you playing him when Leonard's clearly injured? Like everyone was pretty like his play was good. Like we literally made memes about it forever that like he literally kept them in it, but they just couldn't get it done. And yet everyone seems to just forget about that. Like he's good. They've got enough of a tandem, like a good trio there. Like they should be able to get through the year with league average goaltending between Brossois, Hill, and Thompson. One of them will hit, and hey, one of them could hit really good. So they'll be fine. What else is new? Oh, I have a fantasy football. I've never played fantasy football in my life, and my friends are putting one together for fun. I have no idea what we're gonna, how our team is gonna look out or look like. So, Perfetti for the Jets, nice one there. That's probably a sleeve and top load. So, looking forward to it though. Probably pay a little bit more attention to NFL than what I normally do. Steam for the Bruins. Phillips for the Flames on the portraits. Mo Cider on the blue for the Red Wings. We'll put that in the Young Gun pile. 2, 3, 4. Fleury for Chicago. Leshinsky for the Flyers. Young Gun Canvas Black of Chinakhov for Columbus. Case hit style card. Yeah, I have like Jonathan Taylor, I think would be the main one to go after. I might take a flyer on Saquon and be disappointed by the injuries, but that might be a risk that I am willing to take. Landeskog for the Avalanche. 6, 7, 8. Gertson. A little bit of a soft edge there for the Devils. Denisenko for the Panthers. Varlamov for the Islanders, and Nylander for the Flames. I'm going to go back through because we didn't get our double hit pack. We had a hit in every pack, but go back through, make sure I didn't miss anything. It would be fairly obvious from the backs. We hit our French, right? Yeah, we hit our French for sure. The Barzell being like all white on the back throws me off. Maybe we just didn't get one. That's just the checklist. Yep, nope, nothing fancy. Yeah, like I think someone who said it or tweeted it out, but it was like that he's a little bit leaner and back to like what his form probably is better for his body type of thing. So I might go after him later on. Like if I don't get like, I think the premium one's Taylor, right? Like that's the that's a running back that like you probably pick first overall. And like QB wise, like I don't really care too much. I'm just gonna go with vibes there. Like I'm drafting with pure vibes. I'm not doing any research ahead of time. So in extended overall 31873, we hit the biggest clear cut young gun with the Seth Jarvis in our first break and the most cider canvas. Pretty solid break. So, yeah. Like QBs, I'm gonna go with like your big names. I mean, I'm like Trevor Lawrence might not be worth a shot because like might not be rated the highest. I don't know what it is set up as, but nice. Plates are hard to hit, so Taylor's probably the only player. Like, obviously, I know enough to get by. Like, you know, you have your usual group of QBs and stuff. So, French Youngguns of Dewar for the Wild. Dewar for the Wild on the French. Just get base yet. Kemper for the Avs. Kindop for the Ducks. Ooh, SPX Radiant, I believe, to 799 of Pedersen for the Canucks. And Austin Matthews to 300 on the triple reflection. So those are two numbered cards for the box. Let's leave on top of the Matthews just because it's Matthews. It's a leaf that is generally well liked. So Merzlikins for Columbus. Here's our young gun. Lucas Raymond on the retro. Nice one there. Nice one there for the Red Wings. Red Wings have had a nice break. Again, Ducks have had a nice break. Soderblom for Chicago. Breezy for the Islanders. Matthews on the triple diamond for the Leafs. Turcotte for the Kings. Barron for the Avs. That's a good young gun. At least from the crop. Kucherov for the Bolts. Nice. There you go. Yeah, I'd say Seth Jarvis is the best. I don't think it's particularly close, in my opinion at least. Don't get me wrong, there's some good young guns, but like I think upside wise he has the highest and he also has the best performance so far out of them. So it's kind of like, you know, if one of the players is going to break out into a superstar, it's Jarvis. It could be other ones, sure, but like I'd put like, wouldn't put money on it, but you know, protest for the Capitals. I'm not really a betting person. Wilson for the Capitals. Nice. Yeah, the forget what there. Turcotte on the rookie gems for the Kings. That was a protest for the Capitals and a Wilson for the Capitals. Mercer for the Devils on the holographics. Yeah, I like his game a lot. Moser for the Coyotes. I think Moser could be another one of those maybe eventually hits. Tkachuk for the Flames. Tomasino for the Predators. It's extra shiny, but it's just regular. Cross for the Yotes. The instant impact would be the die cut. Steves for the Leafs. Young Gun Canvas Black of Lassie Thompson for the Senators. Not a horrible Young Gun Canvas Black to get. Not the worst in the set, but definitely like, you know, could have been better. And Crosby on the triple reflections. The triple dimension reflections, or forget what the exact set's called. It's triple dimensions reflections. And this is box number 914184. Many packs are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 186 in the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're only gonna have 5. There we go. All right. That wasn't a bad box. Numbered Matthews, lower numbered on the SPX finite of a good player in Pettersson. A decent young gun with Raymond. Could do worse. Could do better, but could do worse. All right, here we go. Again, the entire case of Extended 307 is coming up after this break. I'll probably take a like 5 to 10 minute water snack break in between, so Ben McCartney for the Yotes. Young Gun Canvas of Tuft for the Stars. Rookie Gems of Tomasino for the Predators. Holographic Gold of Mercer. A little bit of a print line down it for the Devils. Sandstrom for the Flyers. Yossi for the Predators on the retro. Print variation of John Merrill for the Wild. 6, 7, 8. Garland for the Canucks. Niemelainen for the Oilers. 7. Finite Radiance to 799 of Stamkos for the Lightning, numbered 111 of 799. Here's a numbered card, Ovechkin for the Capitals on the UD3. Numbered 577 out of 1,000. Thompson for the Sabres. we go. That half done. Let's see how the next half does. Oh, it's getting to that point in the day where the air just sits and it just gets so hot out. My least favorite time of day. That's something different. That's one of the SPX inserts, and that's going to be numbered. Not the finites, but like the other, they're like the standard top loaded card. Like who did we hit? Tomasino? I think we hit Tomasino. This one. Yeah. These SPX ones. So I think we got a numbered one of that coming. I believe. Shesterkin for the Rangers. Cole Caulfield, this is not the numbered one for the Habs. Voracek for the Blue Jackets. Ooh, it's got like the old school stuff on it. DeBar for the Wild. Sorelli on the canvas black for the Lightning. Here we go. Jeannot, number 200. It's really, really hard to see the numbering on it. It just didn't get foiled, I guess, for whatever reason, but it is numbered 69 of 100. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get that to focus. But yeah, I mean, like, fancy looking card. It's just, unfortunately, you can't really see the numbering unless it's in person. But it is 69 of 100. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. So a really nice card there. Yeah, that's like OPG Platinum vibes. Again, would have rather had like a bigger player, but Jeannot's not bad. Swayman on the Retro Young Gun. Bonus numbered card in this box, always nice. Pizzetta for the Habs. Freddie Anderson for the Hurricanes. And Cole Caulfield on the Triple Diamond Rookie Gems. Hopefully we get his Quad Diamond later. That'd be nice. Holtz for the Devils on the holographics. And finishing it off, we have a Turcotte for the Kings. There we go. Not bad. 2 boxes of extended. Showed up pretty good. Honestly, like, from just opening up the boxes, I think I might like Extended's break, like, down better than Series 1. Like, I think if I were to buy a box between the two, and assuming, like, you know, the Young Gun checklist is equal, I'd prefer Extended. 81949 and 99 on the front box numbers. There's lots of 9s on this one. Here we go. Box is empty. That's some good luck with Black Diamond. We put 2 Byfield RPAs with the Caulfield Quad. See if we can keep it up here. Well, this is backwards. So I already don't know what way to go here. That's backwards. I'm just gonna have a little peek. Generally the best card's in like the 3rd slot. So I really don't know where to go, but we'll just go top to bottom. Mark Stone to 349 for Vegas. Base. Sparkling Scripts of Shabbat for the Senators. Jamie Drysdale on the Diamond Mine debut relics for the Ducks. And right behind it on the Diamond Mine debut relics, Trevor Zegras. I don't believe they're short printing, but nice 2-color swatch on the Zegras. Rookie gems of Lecision for Vegas, and Swayman 225 on the Exquisite Rookies. Is worth noting the Swayman does have some corner damage on it. So still a cool card, but just worth noting. Lots of Swayman in this break. Zegras is fine. I don't think... maybe they were short printed. Let me check quickly. The Drysdale can sit up there. Whack the camera. Let me check quickly. I'm curious now. Black Diamond checklist. Diamond Mine. Dave. Debut. No, they're not short printed. At least not publicly short printed, so. Alright, last box, here we go. Box number 4920. Or 362 on the top. Here we go. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't been horrible. Like, for 2 boxes each, like, we've hit cider. But for, like, you personally, yeah, that's probably going to be rough. Like, the Canucks did fine. You got your Podkolzin and Young Gun. Carolina kind of was meh. You missed Jarvis and extended. But, I mean, hey, all it takes is 1 card in here, right? So. Alright. Well, I guess we end on that card. This is a funky box. Here we go. For the Hurricanes, well, there you go. There's at least a Black Diamond card. Teravainen. For the Devils, Sparkling Scripts of Sharon Govich. This skin has some corner damage on it. Oh, nice. Retro rookie team logo jumbos for the Kings of Quinton Byfield. Love that little retro patch. Ooh, those are cool. Those are cool. I'm not going to stand this because there's a better card coming up anyways. Oh, we don't have a diamond behind it. Diamond Cutters of Marner for the Leafs. These are really, like, these are actually really cool. Is there no numbering on them? I would have thought those were numbered, but they're really not numbered. Yeah, I guess 1 in 15. So that's 1 in every 3 cases. Really cool looking card. And it's still not cracking the top 3. No, I guess it might crack the top 3, but those are really cool. Hellebuck on the Diamond Stars for the Jets, and Cole Caulfield rookie patch to 99 for the Habs. Well, that's a good way to end the break. Caulfield exquisite patch to 99. Nice little thick patch there too. Nice bulging out there. So no randoms to do here. Recap time. I think we're gonna go with that for hit of the break. Like that. Sure. All right. Recap time. Some of our top young guns. We got a Cider, a Swayman retro, a Raymond retro, Perfetti for the Jets, Drysdale for the Ducks, Swayman for the Bruins. There's also Podkolzin as well. That's the main other notable one, I think. And a Turcotte for the Kings. Some of our other cool hits. Zegras on the Diamond debut relics for the Ducks. Swayman for the Bruins on the rookie collection from Exquisite to 25. A little bit of a soft corner there. Triple of Caulfield for the Habs. Genoa, or on the or Shinoa, sorry, not Shinoa. 69 of 100 on the SPX. I forget what they call it, but cool little parallel there. Ovechkin on the UD3 to 1,000. Cam is black of Lassie Thompson for the Senators. Matthews to 300. Chinnikov for the Blue Jackets on the canvas black, and Dewar on the French Young Guns. And then kind of top 4 hits. The Marner Diamond Cutters is like visually, I think, my favorite card. It looks really, really cool. But the like retro team logo jumbos of Byfield is also just extremely, extremely, extremely cool. Love the crown. This is arguably the hardest hit card of the entire break, which is the Drysdale Zegras Clear Cut Foundations. But I think we're gonna go for the hit of the break. Nice little Caulfield rookie patch auto, or not auto, sorry, rookie patch to 99. So that is 309. 307 is coming up next. Gonna take a quick little water break and clean up, and then go from there.